America was once a land of 13 colonies, ruled strictly by the British Crown. People lived under heavy taxes and laws imposed without their consent. The presence of British soldiers on the streets reminded everyone that freedom was a distant dream. Growing unrest. Frustration grew among the colonists. They began to question the fairness of paying taxes without having any say. Secret meetings were held in homes and taverns where men and women spoke of change and the need to stand up for their rights. The secret plan. In the dead of night, a group of colonists, disguised as Native Americans, gathered at Boston Harbor. Their goal was clear: to protest against the British tea tax by stopping the shipment of taxed tea. The Boston Tea Party. Under the cover of darkness, the colonists boarded the British ships. With determination, they threw crates of tea into the harbor, watching the leaves float on the water. This bold act was a clear message of defiance against unjust laws. The aftermath. At dawn, the harbor was calm, but scattered with the remnants of the destroyed tea crates. The colonists felt a mix of pride and anticipation, knowing their actions had ignited a new chapter in their fight for freedom. British reaction. Far away in London, British officials learned of the protest. In grand halls, they debated harsh responses, unaware that the colonies were growing more united and determined than ever. Colonial unity. The colonies began to come together, raising flags and joining forces. The spirit of freedom and independence grew stronger with every passing day, binding diverse people with a common cause. The Declaration of Independence. Finally, leaders gathered in Independence Hall, signing the Declaration of Independence. This historic moment marked the birth of a new nation, one founded on liberty, justice, and the hope of a free future.